Governor Olsen, as expected, you have decided to leave key rates unchanged and lift the rate forecast. How much leeway has the weak currency given you to support bringing forward a rate hike toward the end of 2018?
Well, let me start by underlining two issues. The first is that there's still need for an expansionary monetary policy. That's the view we express. Secondly, as you indicate, on the background of improved prospects for the Norwegian economy, and also as regard the inflation moving towards the targets, we expect now to have a slightly earlier first increase in the target rate than in our September report. Or to be more precise, given the picture we now see, the first interest rate increase will take place probably at the end of next year, 2018.
Mm-hmm. In recent months, we've seen quite a significant decoupling between the oil price and the Norwegian krone. Is that a sign that could be interpreted in a way that the economy is slowly weaning off its reliance on oil and gas?
No, it's hard to explain the recent weakening of the krone that until today, up to today, and I'm not going to contribute much compared to the possible explanations that commentators and market participants probably have. It's hard to explain. It could be temporary. We think it is temporary. So in our forecast, we start out in the first quarter of next year with a stronger krone than we have seen in the last weeks.
Yeah. On that note, to what extent do you see the developments here in the housing markets playing into the currency development, but also what we see in Sweden and the risk of a sharp depreciation there in the market?
Well, the housing market, housing investments, and the housing demand in Norway is an important part of the economy. So it's possible to understand if there is a specific view on the downside risk scenario in the housing market, that could be an element. But to quantify that more precisely, I'm not going to intend to try to do that either. And in any case, we believe that the risk premia, which has been observed in the krone over the last weeks, that will be temporary. We believe that we think that there will be most probably a soft landing in the housing market looking forward.
Looking into 2018, will that year be known as the year of normalization of monetary policy around internationally and in the world?
That's too early to say, but again, given the picture we now present, I mean, you will have very low interest rates still internationally, and also in Norway. So I think I think 2018 is too early to be characterized in the way you indicate.